So yan guys, malapit nang ma-bake yung ating banana cake. Yan, malapit na guys. So yan guys, yung ating banana cake. So delicious guys. So yan guys, baking time muna tayo. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng banana cake o banana bread. So ayan, yan yung ating 7 pieces na banana. Ito naman yung ating dry ingredients. So nilagay ko na dyan yung baking soda na 1 teaspoon, baking powder na 1 and 1/2 teaspoon at saka half teaspoon ng salt. So ayan, maglalagay din tayo dyan ng, ito yung ating wet ingredients. Maglalagay tayo dito ng vanilla, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 cup na fresh milk, 1/2 cup na sugar, 1/3 cup ng vegetable oil at saka 2 egg. So ayan guys ang ating mga ingredients. So let's get started guys. So dito guys, i-mash muna natin yung ating banana. Mash lang natin siya guys. Durugin natin yung banana. So pag nadurog na siya guys, pwede natin ilagay yung ating sugar. Ayan. Combine lang natin yung ating sugar. Durug-durugin natin. So after yan guys, ilagay natin yung ating egg. And then, yung ating 1/3 na cup cooking oil. Yung ating 1/2 cup na fresh milk. So, i-mix lang natin yan guys. So, maglagay din tayo dyan guys ng 1 teaspoon na vanilla essence. Then, mix lang natin guys. After natin yan ma-mix guys, pwede na natin i-mix yung ating dry ingredients. Yung dry ingredients, gamitan lang natin siya ng ayan. Ayan, haluin lang natin guys. So, combine lang natin guys yung dry ingredients at saka yung wet ingredients. Ayan, tunawin natin guys hanggang wala tayong makikita na flour. So, mix lang natin guys. Ganito yung ganito lang guys. Add guys yung ating mixture. So, transfer lang natin sa ating water yung ating mixture. So, pag na-transfer na natin yung guys. So, yan na siya guys. So, yung ating banana cake. So, yan guys. Malapit nang ma-bake yung ating banana cake. Yan, malapit na guys. So, yun na guys, yung ating banana cake. And so nice guys. So, yummy banana cake. guys yung ating banana cake. So yan guys yung ating banana cake. So delicious guys. So yan guys, cut natin yung ating cake. Titingnan natin yung texture guys. So, titikman natin guys yung texture ng ating banana cake. So, ito siya guys. Ang ganda ng texture ng ating banana cake guys. Ayan. So, ito guys yung texture ng ating banana cake. Ayan, tikman natin. Ito yun siya guys. Sarap guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng texture guys.